What's up, guys? Random Racer here with another random product review video for guys today. Just got this thing in the mail today. It is the Cross Radiance fountain pen, and I don't know if you guys see my last video on the Waterman Phillies fountain pen, but yeah, guys, I do use fountain pens. I actually only have one of them, or two of them right now, and the reason I use them is just because I'm left-handed and I just write so much better with it rather than using the regular, ballpoint pens that everyone else uses. But my writing is just a lot more legible, a lot more clear with it, and it's just more comfortable for me to write with them, which is kind of awesome. But anyways, that's pretty much the only reason why I use them. It's not because I'm old-fashioned or anything. They just look cool, and my writing's just a lot better with them. But anyways, this is my third fountain pen, actually. The Waterman Phillies is my second one. My first one was actually the same one as this. However, it was the Solo series, which is the more downscale of this. It didn't have the gold trim, but other than that, it's practically the same thing. And I got that at the drugstore for like $5, like maybe 6 years ago. Then I lost it a couple years later in accounting class, so that kind of sucked. So, but anyways, yeah, I decided to go on eBay, see if they have any of my that one pen I had the first time, and so I decided to get the Radiance series, which was the same thing, and again, only difference is the Radiance has gold trimming. I think that's the only difference. But anyways, got it off eBay for around $10. It came with a gift set, came with like papers, 6 ink cartridges, which I hate using because they run out and then you're screwed. It did come with a converter, which I like because you can always refill it with these ink bottles, and of course it came with the cross ink as well, and a little warranty instruction guide, and that's pretty much it. So nothing too spectacular there. But anyways, yeah, you guys probably don't care about the packaging. But anyways, of course, the point of this video is the pen itself, and before I continue, here's the ink. It's cross ink black, and I did use this a few hours ago. However, I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't know, I just don't like it that much. It's not actually that black when you write it, or it might just because I'm using the pen for the first time. But generally, I use the Parker Quink ink, and they sell these at Staples still for around like $5 or $6, and I just prefer that a lot more better, and so I use that. So if you guys are looking for some decent ink, go to Staples, pick up some Parker Quink. They're of course in a ink bottle like this, except it says Parker and it says Quink. But anyways, to the pen itself, so as you can see, guys, there's very nice gold trimming around it, and this is the inexpensive line of fountain pens that Cross offers. Unfortunately, they discontinued these in the early 2000s, I believe, which kind of sucks. So all they have now is the really expensive pens that are like $50 to $100 plus, and that includes Waterman. They discontinued the Phillies series, which was the inexpensive line for them, and now they only have $100 plus pens. So that kind of sucks because who wants to spend that much on a pen when you haven't experienced the the general kind like fountain pens? Because what I'm trying to say is it's better to spend $20 on a fountain pen and get used to it, and then spend more on upscale pens so you know what you're getting into. But anyways, I don't know why they discontinued it, but they did. But anyways, yeah, back to the pen. Sorry for moving away back and forth about the topic. So yeah, it has a very nice gold trimming on it. It's obviously not real gold, it's like gold plated or brass or something. It has cross engraved on the clip there, of course gold trimming on the top of the cap, and you got like a double kind of gold trim that goes around the end of the cap, and on the bottom of the barrel of the pen you got more gold trimming. I think this pen is made in Germany or France. I'm not absolutely sure because I'm pretty sure most Cross products are made in Europe. But anyways, as you can see, guys, the cap comes off by twisting it, which is actually a very nice feature. It keeps the cap a lot more secure rather than the general snapping the cap onto the barrel that most pens offer. And then when you put it on the top here, it just snaps into place. And then you got the nib exposed, of course. So this is the Solo and Radiance series nib that Cross used for these two models, and it's a very nice nib. It looks very attractive. Of course, it's like brass or something like that. Has very nice decorations engraved onto the nib, and it says Cross in the middle. And this is the medium point nib. My very first fountain pen was a fine point, which I loved a lot writing with. I have used a medium point on the Watermans, and that was just way too broad, so I returned it for a fine point. But yeah, this was the only one on eBay that I saw at the time. It was medium, so I heard that Cross mediums are like fine points of Watermans, which now I know is actually kind of true. So I don't know why there's a difference between them. But anyways, that's nib, and looks very nice. You can take it off the cap here if you really need to and clean it out and stuff like that. At least I think you can, because I did it on my Solo version. And as you can see, it's a classic black finish, plastic of course, and they do come in 3 other colors, red marble, blue marble, and green marble. And if you want to fill the fountain pen up, all you do is unscrew the cap here. Comes off, and here we got the converter, which does come off the barrel here. And pretty much how it works is you stick the fountain pen into the ink bottle, and then you twist this top piece here, which sucks up the ink, and then you refill your pen. It's that easy. It's nothing too complicated, and it beats from, you know, buying new pens all the time, I suppose. But anyways, that's a converter. There's ink in there right now, but when there isn't, this part here is actually like a transparent green. And it says Cross on it, and holds a pretty decent amount. I think my Waterman one holds a bit more, not absolutely sure, but if I remember correctly from my solo, my first fountain pen, which had the same converter, I think I could get away with for 1 or 2 weeks of it, but that was a fine point, so I don't know if that really made a difference. But I'm pretty sure this will last me at least a week of writing notes and stuff at school. Let's see, oh yeah, gotta show you guys how this thing writes. So I do have ink in here right now. I'm using the Parker Quink ink. It's like a navy blue, but because I just changed it from this to the navy blue, it might be a bit black. But anyways, it writes pretty nicely. It's very smooth, and the one thing I like about this medium point, it doesn't like it doesn't catch the paper or snag onto the paper. Like fine points, they do that a lot because they're a lot more sharper, but the medium point on the cross one here is actually very nice. It doesn't do that. I could write it pretty much on, well, I wouldn't say on any angle, but on a higher angle than I could on the Waterman Phillies pen, just because it was a fine point. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, probably should write something rather than scribble. So if I put like cross, or it's November, what's today, the 23rd, I think. I don't really cursive write a lot, so. But anyways, yeah, that is it's pretty decent writing, or not writing. It's a pretty decent pen to write with, and I'm definitely very satisfied with it. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's the Cross Radiance fountain pen offered by Cross. And if you want to pick one of these up, I definitely just recommend going on eBay or something. And I should probably focus on that so you guys can see. There we go. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and rate, comment, and subscribe. Not even putting any effort in writing those words, but anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments about these, ask away. And for those of you fountain pen experts watching this, sorry if this was a bit of an amateur review, but like I mentioned earlier in this video, at least I think I did, I just bought this so I can use it, and you know, I don't really know too much about the techie stuff about it, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.